Medical equipment often has a journey that spans continents. From the bustling hospitals of advanced regions to the remote clinics in underserved communities, these tools play a vital role in saving lives. But how do they get there? Let's take a closer look at this incredible journey. It all starts when equipment in developed countries reaches the end of its life cycle. Instead of discarding these valuable tools, organizations step in to give them a new purpose. Through careful coordination and logistics, the equipment is packed, shipped and delivered to places where they are needed the most. This is more than just a donation, it's a lifeline for many healthcare providers and their patients. What happens to medical equipment nearing the end of its life cycle in advanced regions? Through AMP, these tools find a second home in underserved communities.
This donation can mean the difference between life and death for patients in need.
These machines have saved countless lives. We're so grateful for this initiative. Every donation counts. Join us in creating a greener, healthier future. Donate today and transform lives. Visit www.africamedicalmarketplace.com/donate